Updating your legal name on Agregore is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a quick and efficient update. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that prove your name change, such as a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Step 2. Log into your Agregore account. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Agregore to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings section, usually located in the menu. Click on it to access your personal information. Step 4. Update your name. In the account settings, locate the field for your legal name. Enter your new name as it appears on your legal documents and double-check for accuracy. Step 5. Submit changes. After updating your name, look for a Save or Submit button to finalize the changes. You may receive a confirmation email once your request is processed. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on Agregore should be updated. Make sure to check back after a few days to confirm the changes have been made.